channel, please click on the subscription button to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. I have some video tutorials on my channel, you can go through them. And on this tutorial, without wasting our time, on this tutorial I want to teach us how to design a simple M logo on CorelDRAW. Simple M logo, simple but professional M logo on CorelDRAW. So without wasting our time, let us delve in properly. Alright, so this is my CorelDRAW interface. This is CorelDRAW interface now. Alright, so we can actually use any size for this design, but for this design now I would like to use 12 by 12 inches 12 by 12 inches for this design. Alright, so this is 12 by 12 inches now. So now, like I said, that we want to design M logo on CorelDRAW. So, and I want you to follow me. So this is our M. Let's do in capital letter. This is our M. This is our M. So I want us to use this font. The font we are using for this M is Montserrat theme. Montserrat theme. Alright, so this is what we are using. So I want to, the color we are using, let me import the color. This is the color we are using. So we are using these two color. So I want to import our background now. Background for the design. So we are using this background. Come to bitmap. Sorry, come to effects, then blur, Gaussian blur. Increase the radius. Expand it. We are going to click this. So this will serve as our background. Double click on this rectangle too. Then power click this background inside the rectangular tool that we have created. You understand now? Move the border line here. Change this color to white. So the white we are using here. This color to white. So we are going to create a circle. This is our circle. This is our circle. We are going to duplicate this circle by click on shift button, then replace it. So we just want to create so we are going to click on smart fill here, then flip the circle now. Remove that the circle you have gotten, then click on P. So alright, so delete this circle now. So we can change the color to the yellow we have here. So to pick this color, come here, add color, pick your yellow color here, then change that color to this. Are we following? So now we want to do some manipulation to this M now, so that it will not be too simple. Do you understand? So click on this pen tool here, then come here. You want to divide it into two. Double click. After we have done that, then you are going to click on your shift tool and click on this M. Then you come here to trim. After that, delete this one, Ctrl X. Then here and click on Ctrl K to break it. So this is it now. Do you understand now? So we have divided the M into two now. Do you understand? So the next thing now is to divide these two also into two. we are going to click on this pen tool here, then click here, double click, then click on shift and click on this divide trim, also delete this, then come here to Ctrl K, Ctrl K, Ctrl K. Alright, so we've gotten that now. So we've gotten that. So we want to remove this. So this one will come here now. This one will come here. So we want to increase the edge of this. Click on this shape tool, increase the edge like this, bring it down, do the same thing to this edge, increase it. You will understand now. Alright, so this one also increase the edge a little bit. Do you understand? Alright, so move this so that there will be enough space. Alright, so this is good. So we can now, this one now, we know we have divided into two. So we click on this, click on our shift, then click this, then merge it together, weld it. So we have weld it now. So this one also, we are going to weld it. Click on this and weld the two together. Alright, so we've done that now. Are we following? So now we can change this one to this yellow and leave this second one to white. So this circle now. So we want to divide the circle into two. Also click on your pen tool here. Click on the pen tool here and don't click here. So come to this smart fill. Come to this smart fill and fill it here. Remove this line you've created. Then this one also remove the border line. Then click on, after you have clicked on that one, then click on your shift and click on this yellow area. Then we are going to trim. So we've divided it into two now. So now we are going to select the white color for this. So this is a simple M logo design. So we can write our this thing. So and we are going to write this jewelry, this jewelry artwork. Alright, so the font we are using for this immediate jewelry and more, we can use dry jam. Alright, so this is a simple M logo design. So you can add your this here. You can just add something here just to spice it up. So you can just add this here. Your circle. Delete it. Alright, so that is it. That is a simple M logo design on CorelDRAW. So we want to save our logo. Ctrl S, save M logo design. So save it, then we are going to export it. Come to file, then export as well. Save. Then come to your file where you want to save your design. You save it now. So this is our design. This is our logo design. So we can do something like this for our customer. Whenever someone want to design M logo, we can adopt this style. So God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.